Most men think a hug is just a hug. A quick greeting, a polite goodbye, a simple moment of physical contact. But what if I told you a single hug can reveal exactly how a woman feels about you? Her interest, her comfort, her attraction, and sometimes even her hidden curiosity about you. The problem is, most men never learn how to read these signals. They hug back awkwardly, they pull away too fast, or they freeze in the moment because they have no idea what that hug actually meant. And without realizing it, they end up sending the wrong message. They signal nervousness, they signal insecurity. Sometimes they even signal complete disinterest, even when they're actually interested. But today, that changes, because in this video, I'm going to break down the 4 types of hugs women give and explain exactly how you should respond so you never miss a moment of attraction again. Once you understand these signals, you'll start noticing things most men remain completely blind to. And trust me, after watching this video, you'll never look at a hug the same way again. Why hugs matter more than you think? Before we break down the 4 types, there's something important you need to understand. Attraction rarely happens through words. It happens through body language, through energy, through small moments of physical interaction that reveal how 2 people actually feel around each other. A hug is one of the most honest forms of communication. Why? Because people can control their words, but they rarely control their body language perfectly. The length of a hug, the way she places her arms, how tightly she holds you, whether she pulls away quickly or lingers for a moment, all of these things communicate real emotion. And when you know how to read them, you gain a huge advantage in understanding female psychology and attraction dynamics. So, let's break down the 4 types of hugs you need to recognize. 1. The friendly pat hug. This is the most common hug you'll experience. It usually lasts 1 or 2 seconds. Her body leans slightly forward, there's minimal torso contact, and often there are 2 or 3 quick pats on your back. This hug is warm, but it's also clearly platonic. It's the kind of hug people exchange between friends, coworkers, or acquaintances. Now here's where many men make a mistake. They interpret this hug as rejection, but that's not necessarily true. A friendly hug simply means she currently sees you in a safe, comfortable way. You're someone she trusts, someone she feels relaxed around. And believe it or not, that's actually a good starting point, because attraction often grows from comfort first. Instead of trying to force attraction in this moment, your goal is simple. Create more emotional connection, more playful interaction, more eye contact, more shared moments. Over time, the friendly hug can evolve into something more meaningful. 2. The firm hug. Now, this hug is different. It lasts a little longer. There's a noticeable firmness in the way she wraps her arms around you, and instead of feeling rushed, it feels intentional. This kind of hug usually signals comfort and familiarity. She enjoys being around you. She feels safe. She feels relaxed. But here's the mistake many men make in this moment. They panic. They break the hug too quickly. And when that happens, they accidentally signal nervousness. Instead, when you receive a firm hug, hold it just a second longer than expected. Not in a strange or forced way, just naturally, calmly, then observe her reaction. Does she smile when you pull away? Does she maintain eye contact? Does she stay close instead of stepping back immediately? If you notice these signals, it means she enjoys your presence, and that's an important building block for attraction. Before we continue with the 2 hugs that reveal the strongest attraction signals, take a quick second to subscribe to the Love Blueprint. On this channel, we break down female psychology, attraction dynamics, and relationship insights that most men were never taught growing up. If you want to become more confident in understanding women and relationships, make sure you're part of this community. Now, let's talk about the hugs that most men completely misread. 3. The lingering hug. This is where things start getting interesting. A lingering hug is when the moment lasts longer than expected. She doesn't rush to let go. Her body relaxes against yours. Her arms stay wrapped around you. And there's a brief moment where neither of you immediately moves. That pause is important because in attraction, lingering moments matter. If her body stays close, if her hands remain on your back, if her breathing slows and she seems relaxed in your arms, there is a good chance she enjoys the closeness. And when this happens, the worst thing you can do is panic and pull away too quickly. Instead, simply mirror her energy, stay calm, stay relaxed. You can gently place your hand on her lower back or give a light squeeze before letting go. These small gestures communicate something powerful. Confidence. And confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a man can display. When a man is comfortable in a moment of closeness, it creates emotional safety. And emotional safety is what allows attraction to deepen. 4. The intimate embrace. Now we come to the hug that speaks the loudest, the intimate embrace. In this type of hug, she leans fully into you. Her head may rest on your shoulder. Sometimes it rests near your neck. Her arms wrap around you more tightly, and occasionally she may gently move her hand along your back. This type of hug usually signals strong emotional comfort and potential attraction. Why? Because personal space matters. People don't naturally stay close to someone unless they feel safe and connected. If a woman lingers in this kind of embrace, it often means she enjoys the closeness. And sometimes she's testing how you respond. Does he stay calm? Does he become awkward? Does he rush away? Or does he simply stay present in the moment? When you experience this type of hug, don't rush. Stay relaxed. Allow the moment to happen naturally. Sometimes the most powerful response is simply being comfortable in silence, because emotional connection often grows in those quiet moments. The most important rule, here's something most men don't realize. The biggest mistake you can make in moments like these is overthinking. Attraction doesn't grow through complicated strategies. It grows through presence, through calm confidence, through the ability to stay relaxed and natural in moments of connection. When you respond naturally instead of forcing things, you create an environment where attraction can grow. And women notice that. They notice when a man is comfortable with himself, when he's confident without trying too hard, when he's present instead of anxious. Those qualities are incredibly attractive. Final thoughts. A hug might seem like a small gesture, but in the language of attraction, it can reveal a lot more than words ever could. The way she hugs you, how long she stays, how close she stands, all of these things communicate hidden emotions and intentions. And once you learn to recognize these signals, you'll start understanding moments that most men completely miss, because attraction often lives in the subtle details. And the men who understand those details are the ones who build stronger connections. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about female psychology, attraction signals, and relationship dynamics, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Love Blueprint. And now I'm curious, in your opinion, what is the biggest sign of attraction during a hug? Is it how long she stays close, how tightly she holds you, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read them all, and I'll see you in